What's good? What's good? Oh yeah. Yeah, hold a minute lately. Oh, I don't know myself anymore. Yesterday was insane. Random ASL. We all had the same exact watch list. So if you don't attend the live and you didn't know the level, or you didn't look at the watch list and put the level, well, that's on you. I'm tearing the skin off my bone. Don't you know? All right. Boom. Let's do this thing. So look, we're literally we double bottom. Right, I say double bottom. If we look at ES. Boom. I think that'll be our double bottom up. And then we'll see what we get, because maybe it could do like a little inverse potentially. But we'll see. We don't assume, we just watch and see what it does and react. So let's go back to our SPY. We're right at this key level, so we just broke back up. We just broke above it. Sorry. You could take below 652 to 649. I probably want to wait for below that. I probably want to wait for below that. Yeah, I mean, you could. It's not bad. It's still a $3 move. I just want to catch. I want the trend. So I personally would take calls. Unless we broke below right here. Right, we break below here, we could take it down. Yeah, that'd be nice. 649 to 644. I'd rather just miss this, right? Miss this area and wait for price to come out of this box, right? Down. Or we can come back up, take that pre-market high bounce to 660. Right? That would still be what? 656. Still a $4 move. And let's see what happens with that. Let's see what happens with that. So that's the game plan for SPY. Nvidia is pretty crazy because the RSI is actually like leveling out. So I think we could just continue. Could also probably do a trend line. See what happens there. Nvidia. Excuse me. 169 to 73 hours. Nice. Now we're waiting for above 176 to 180. Or You'd probably go 174 to 171 if you wanted it. I don't know. I'm not really a fan of day trading NVIDIA as much. Right? Today, news-wise, I don't think we have anything crazy. I forget. Let's see. ADP. Let's see our econ data. I'll bring it over here so you guys can see it. What's today? It's Tuesday. Wednesday. NBA mortgage 777 830 730. There we go. So 9 o'clock we have 15 minutes in the market open. We have PMI. 10 o'clock manufacturing. Well, it's really 9 o'clock. So, and then 9:30. Well, I don't think that's anything crazy. And then Trump speaks tonight. I don't think that's anything crazy, really. Job cuts. Yeah. Also, with all the job cuts going on, I seen some people. Oh my gosh! Like all these job cuts. Like it's actually better for companies to cut jobs because then they have more revenue. So then they're gonna all beat earnings like crazy, right? Because they have to pay less employees. So something to think about. Like Oracle just said they're laying off like I forgot what percentage of their company of employees, but it's not necessarily bad. I mean, it is for those people, but whatever. All right. AMD, we're approaching this major resistance at 209. I think if we break that, we could pop. I think we could pop pretty far if we break that. I still don't really. Run them up, let's go. I think we would inverse this whole thing. We might stop halfway at 212, but we also might just inverse the whole thing. Put one there just in case. I mean, really the same thing with AMD. If we go back below 204, let's see. And that's potentially the move. Yeah. I'm curious to see what today does for sure. I don't know. I mean, we obviously are in the middle of key resistance and see what happens from these supports. What? To gap up after that whole push up yesterday and still be holding pretty strong. I'm curious if we continue or drop. Tesla, 381 to 384. potentially 387. You gotta wait for the first setups, right? Wait for the right setup to come to you. I'm coming back from more. Put that there. Wake me up. Wake me up inside. All right. That's not too bad. This whole thing is going to be a potential bounce spot for Tesla. So we can see what happens when we get to 375 about, right? So price could come in, definitely get a little pop out of it, back up, or we wait for that full breakthrough, grab that retest to come grab that right there at 367. That'd be pretty big move to the downside if we did that. But we might just hold that support right there. So that's a decent move on Tesla. That could happen today for sure. For sure. Meta. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude. What a ad. But same thing. I mean, that was just a huge drop off a cliff. And now we're back to this resistance. So we'll see. Meta, I just want this bounce. I just want this 562 bounce if we get it. Good, okay. Netflix, Microsoft. Oh yeah, Netflix. I told you about that Netflix bounce. Apple. Way up inside. Save me. All right. To the watch list. I like it. Today to wait for your confirmations. But see, they don't know. They don't know what to expect because they're not on here. Because they're fucking lazy. So if you want to make money, you can't be fucking lazy and you got to show up. I fucking talked to my one-on-one and Casper. Yeah. And I don't, I'm cool with it because I'm prepared. That's why I made 900% yesterday. $500 to $5,000 because I'm prepared every fucking morning. I don't take this. I'm not playing with my money. Whenever y'all want to make your money, lock the fuck in. Let's see what we get today. Make sure to wait for your confirmations. They all want the fucking watch list and the call outs. And then they're like, oh, you didn't call out that spy call. I didn't. It was a lotto, but guess what? It was on the fucking watch list, my guy. Or girl, whatever. All right. Spy. It's big. Looks like a big reject right there. We could go. How do we do that? Okay, cool. Without so. Oh my gosh. I'm putting this on the other screen. Sorry, guys. Spy, we're gonna go below 649 to 643.5 to be safe. Or 649 bounce. Bouncing around. All right. Above shield. Now we gotta go above 657 because of pre-market. But yeah, I think shit. If anything, we're gonna use that to come. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. And we could bounce at 651. Excuse me. We'll see. All right, so below 649 to 643.5 or 649 bounce up. Right? That makes sense. Pay without 174 to 172 if you want it on the video. All right. Save yourself. Yeah, that's AMD. I want a 204 bounce. Mad. AMD 204 bounce. Or below 204 to 201. Bounce to what? 209 or 204 or below 204 to 201. Still a $3 move. Still fire. Still fire. Meta, I want a 562.5 bounce. Meta, 562.5 bounce. So Spy, AMD, Meta, Hood, I don't think it's anything crazy. Nor Netflix. Qs is actually not bad. Q's 576.5. bounce. We can do Qs. 5.76.5. 5 bounce or that's actually fire. Qs is pretty fire, actually, if we get that. You just got to be careful shorting into a demand. But we'll see, right? Like if by the time we get down here, we're oversold, volume's low, like we probably won't take it to the downside. We'll probably just wait. But yeah. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. That's it. That's it. Everything reject in there. Look at that. Oh my gosh. All right, be patient. It's gonna be a volatile session, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Oh yeah. All right. Good luck. Reach out, bro. Reach out if you have any questions. I appreciate you for always showing up. You a real one. You clearly are hungry to make some money, and we gonna make some money.